Students, now let us look at some types of warehouses. Warehouses की आपके पास क्या टाइप हो सकती हैं, उनको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में डिस्कस कर लेंगे. ओवरव्यू ले लेते हैं, then we will discuss it in detail as well. Public warehousing, private warehousing, contract warehousing, and multi-client warehousing. Now, public warehouses would be the warehouses which would be owned by, let's say, government and government regulated होंगे. वहाँ पर everyone has the right actually to place their products or items, वो उसमें जो है store किए जा सकते हैं. There are advantages, they are cheaper in nature, but at the same time limitations are there. Limitations में जो सबसे बड़ी limitation है वो ये है कि they do not provide every type of activity. ये warehouses traditional activities ज़्यादा perform करते हैं, that is like storing the goods, or receiving it, storing it, maybe sorting it out and then delivering it. If you need some specialized functions, it may not be performed by the public warehouses. Private warehousing, of course, the advantage is it would be as per your requirement. आपके अपने warehouses होंगे, the company would be owning it, and these warehouses can perform the function, specialized function, which that organization requires. जो organization को require है, वो function ये perform कर सकते हैं. अगर cold storage चाहिए, तो obviously in private warehouses they can make it because they require it. Contract warehousing, one of the relatively cheaper scenario. If the company cannot or an enterprise cannot own their own private warehouses, they can have a contract, और यहाँ पर specialized functions can be performed by that warehouse company, जो कि वो facility आपको provide कर रही है. 3PLs इसके लिए common scenario है. Multi-client warehousing. Multi-client warehousing में आपके पास 4PL का scenario भी आ जाता है. बहुत सारे क्लाइंट्स के लिए वेयर हाउसिंग प्रोवाइड करना और स्पेशलाइज्ड फंक्शंस भी प्रोवाइड कर देना, दैट इज आल्सो देयर. डिफरेंस क्या होगा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वेयर हाउसिंग से? कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वेयर हाउसेज में यू वुड निगोशिएट विद 1 or 2 वेयर हाउसेज, और वहां पर हो सकता है एक्सक्लूसिवली आपकी आइटम्स मौजूद हों या 1 or 2 वुड बी देयर. इन मल्टी क्लाइंट देयर वुड बी more and more specialized functions can be performed by the multi-client warehouses. If you see this picture, this will actually show you the process of warehousing. Input आपके पास है receiving, that is the scheduled carrier unload the vehicle and inspect for damage. If there is any damage, you need to account for it at the time of receiving. Then the warehouse process is there. Warehouse process में आपके पास put away strategy है. Put away strategy is like a picking strategy. Identify the product, identify product location, move products, and update the record. Obviously, if you have some kind of an warehouse management system, you will update that record there. Otherwise, in some traditional ledger or traditional inventory ledger, I would say. Then you have the storage. Storage is about like equipment, stock location. That would be according to the popularity, unit size, and the cube. Volume कितना लेता है और उसकी popularity से क्या मुराद है? Either it is like fast moving item or a slow moving item. Fast moving items would be at more accessible location than the slow moving items. Slow moving items may be at the farther locations. Then you have the order picking. Based on the information, you would walk and pick, or it can be done through the guided vehicles as well. Then batch picking is also possible. बहुत बड़ा batch जो है वो एक pick कर लिया जाए, having the same date. मैं batch की detail में नहीं जाऊँगा. Then you have the shipping preparation. उसको आपने जब तो that would be the packing, labeling and stacking. उसको stack कैसे करना है? What should be the packing requirement? Packing requirement आपके पास क्या है और क्या label attach होंगे? That is the requirement. Then the last process would be like the shipping, schedule carrier, load the vehicle, bill of loading would be there, and the record update in your system or in your inventory ledger. And then it's the output. तो ये आपके पास एक proper warehouse का total system है, जिसको total process है, जिसको input से लेके output तक, which is based on that receiving, shipping, and like storing activities. So it provides actually timely customer service, keep track of the items so that they can be found readily and correctly. Then what would be the objective here for different type of warehouses? जब भी आप warehouses की, whether you are going for a contract warehousing or whether you are trying to have your own private warehouses or multi-client or maybe public warehousing, you actually try to minimize the physical efforts and thus the cost of moving goods into and out of the storage. आप क्या है आपके पास objective? Overall objective मेरे पास warehouse की activity would be to minimize the total physical effort and the cost of moving goods into and out of storage. तो इट प्रोवाइड्स कम्युनिकेशन लिंक विद कस्टमर्स एज वेल. वेयर हाउस में जो आपके पास इन्वेंट्री मेंटेन हुई हुई है, ये इन्वेंट्री आपको ये भी शो करती है वेयर हाउस की इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इट एक्चुअली प्रोवाइड्स अ लिंक विद योर कस्टमर. कस्टमर की रिक्वायरमेंट के मुताबिक डू वी हैव दैट इन्वेंट्री इन आवर वेयर हाउसेज. तो इट प्रोवाइड्स अ लिंक बिटवीन द कस्टमर एंड द मैन्युफैक्चरर और द रिटेलर. थैंक यू.